All right, so last week we learned that the sound ow can be spelled two different ways. You guys remember that? We learned that OU can say ow and we learned OW can say ow. Well, this week we are learning a sound that can be spelled three different ways. Same sound, but spelled three different ways. I can't believe it. Now, as confusing as that might seem, it's actually gonna help you and make reading a whole lot easier when you remember that these three letter combinations make the same sound. And actually, you've learned one already, and the other two we're gonna learn today. We have been learning about ER. Remember, what does ER say together? That's right. When E and R are together, it just says the R sound, That's right. And that goes for these two as well. There are three different ways that you can make the sound. We already learned ER. Believe it or not, when you put I and R together, it says and when you put U and R together, it says All three of these vowels with the letter R say That means, because we learned that A and R together say R, we learned that O and R together say or, and now we're learning that the rest of the vowels with R says That means that anytime a vowel is with the letter R controls that sound, okay? So we know that when we see a vowel with the letter R, we have to stop and think, okay, this is going to be a special sound. It's either gonna be R or And so these three say So let's start here. We already know ER says And so I have some words here that we can sound out. Now all of these are special sounds, so you're gonna circle them when you see them in a word. And I'll go ahead and do that for you so you can see. So here we have ER. I'm not going to put a smile, even though there's a vowel there. Remember, when a vowel is with R controls the sound, which makes it a special sound. So you don't mark it as a vowel. It's a special sound. And now we can sound it out, her. Here we know CL is a consonant blend, so that's a special sound. And then we see ER, and so we're gonna sound this one out, clerk. Very good. Now this one is tricky. And if you guys don't, that's my doggy that you might be hearing in the background. If you don't forget, when sometimes there are double syllable words, that means you clap twice, you can hear the different syllables, the different parts of a word. And when there are two syllables in a word, that means there are gonna be two separate vowel sounds. So in this word, we have one E way up here in the front, and then we have ER in the back. That means that's two different sounds. So the first one we're marking as just a regular vowel. And then down here at the end, these two together make this special sound. So now sound that out for me. Enter. Good job, everybody. Enter, that's right. That one was a harder one, but I know most of you probably got it. I'm very proud of you guys. All right, so let's do this one. Heard, very good. All right, now let's move on. IR, same sound. You're gonna make the same sound that you would for ER. Okay, so let's take a look here. We have a bird, that's right. Bird is the word. All right, let's take a look here. Girl, that's right. Now here we have a consonant blend, so we're gonna make that as a special sound. And we're also going to circle our IR. And IR says just like ER. Twirl, that's right. Last one, this is also a special sound. Special sound. That's right, the word is shirt. All right, let's do the last one here. We have UR. UR also says It's the same thing. So we're gonna sound these out with the sound. Here we have UR. What's the word? Fur, that's right. Let's do this one. Hurt. Here we do this. And remember, when we see an E at the end like that, it's just silent. You can cross it out if it helps you, but you don't have to. The word is purse. And last but not least, Kurt. Awesome job, everybody. I know you'll do great.